Hello, we're in Inle Lake in Myanmar. We're about to check out the Ong traditional puppet show. Come on!
Points about the Burmese marionette. There are 4 varieties of puppetry: the shadow puppet, the puppet manipulated by rods, the glove puppet, and the string puppet or the marionette. And Ushuyo leading a village procession. Ladies and gentlemen, the highly entertaining and energetic Ushuyo.